Welcome back to this video. If you use Alipay app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see if your Alipay account has been restricted and how you can simply find out without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Alipay. The next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to go to account and security. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to security center. So under the security center right here, click on restrictions. So here we go. Account restriction. No current account security issue. Want to learn more about how Alipay protects your account? Check below. Check your account security. What you need to do is to simply click on check account security. Welcome to security monitor right here. Comprehensive security check, regular security check, security improvement recommended, then click on check account security. Then right here, Alipay will check your account and device for any security risk. If any potential risks are found, the system will update immediately. Click on here, I have read and agree. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on confirm right here. Then allow Alipay to perform the security check completely. Once the security check has been done completely, then you see every detail about your Alipay account right here. So right here you have account security, which is green check, then device here check, insurance, then biometric check, and security functions check. This simply means that your account was not restricted. If all this green here is happened right here in your account is perfectly and on, it has not been restricted and no any data breach in your account. Your Alipay account is super good. So with that, no need security improve needed, just like what you see as far as the report is concerned right here. But if your account has been restricted, you will be told, and then here, this is where you need to follow the right instruction and see how you can leave the restriction on your Alipay account. This is one of the security you need to always check in your Alipay account to be sure and secure that your account is in a good health. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.